Hello. We are here with Tuna. It's fully recovered. The rain makes the camera not work proper. Everything is fine now after the heavy castration. As expected for a black and not small and not younger, no one offered home. So sadly I should send her back to the restaurant where I found her by the road. She's been here for 2 days. Now everything is okay. So we'll have the freedom to run, but not the safety. Let's hope they survive. And her 3 doggies there. She's cuddling. Quite greedy in terms of food, but doesn't protect her food. And even the pups are still having their bowls over there. She respects them. So if someone is willing to give this doggy a home, please message me or we'll arrange it. She walks on a lead, she's clean, she's quiet, she's quite smart. For food she could do everything. And now we'll go back to the car. And Tuna to go, Mom? Yes, Mom, come on. Honey? Come on. I have a sausage. So she just has to come to the car. Hi, Dewa. Hi. You're a good girl. I don't know. I don't know. Bara. I don't know if I'll manage with the camera. Hi, Mama. Tuna. Hi. Tuna. Tuna. Hi. 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 Dawa. Mama. Hi, Tuna. She can jump. Hi, Tuna. Hi, Mama. Tuk. Hi, baby. Just come. Tuna. Tuna. Yes, Mama. Kadi. Hi, Tuk. Hi. Hi. We know that you can jump. Bravo. Bravo. Hop, hop, hop. Hi. I should drop the camera for a while. Okay, maybe. Hi, Donna. Hi, Mom. Dawa. Hi, Dewa. Hi, Donna. It will not happen with the camera. Hi, Donnie. Hi, Mommy. Hi, the pet. She didn't like because I left her in a kennel while we were out. Not to happen some accident with the pups because they could be annoying. But you find how to push the net away and to greet me from the yard.